Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find the new mythics in Fortnite. Alrighty, so we're going to load into Fortnite. Just got done with a workout, so that's why I'm sweaty. A queue? Fast forward. What? You didn't fast forward? Why didn't you fast forward? Alright, I guess we're just gonna wait here. You can skip to probably about 2:10 skips. Would you like a 6 years after took with like a book? Oh, now they took the V-Bucks away. Alrighty, why did it start me in here? I wasn't playing in here first. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, so you can do this in any game mode, it doesn't matter. It's probably easier to get stuff though in non-ranked. So then you're gonna load into a match. Apparently we're not skipping, we're not speeding up stuff, so I don't know why. I have eczema, and I just got back from a hot sunny day, and so you'll probably see me scratching a lot in this video. Man, it's just 6 season right here, man. Oh my god, why am I lagging so badly? Oh wow, I am lagging. I'm running 60 FPS right now. But just dipped down to like 24. Birds the weather, what a bird, bird, bird. The birds the weather, what a bird, bird, bird. Alright, so you can land anywhere you want. Doesn't really matter. It just has to be in one of these Greek places. And that's how you get the mythic. Alright, so you hop out the bus whenever you want. You fly towards it'd be in a random spot, like it's on one's on the back of this cliff, and these are always guaranteed. So there's one over here at Grim Gate, and then there's one inside here at the Underworld, and then there's one that I'm going to right now, right here at Mount Olympus, and I still haven't found this one yet. I'm gonna do that when I'm home with my friends later. Alright, so I'm gonna dive down. And then you're gonna do whatever, it doesn't matter. And then And come over here as long as you land over here. And oh, this is cool. I didn't know they had to fire grass. Alright, oh wait, the other button. Yeah, I'm not used to playing. What? Where are my keybinds? Keybinds. If you're on controller, it'll say, hold on, let me look at my keybinds. What's going on? Interact. Where's interact? Where's the interact button? Where is interact? What's T? Okay, Y. Alright. We're back. Y. Yep, and then you're gonna either get the Icarus wings or the Zeus bolts. They're more likely to get Icarus wings. And, yeah, that's how you get it. So, yeah. Peace.